Haiti didn't suddenly collapse. It has been sinking, for more than 200 years. Not because of laziness. Not because of culture. But because it was punished for doing one thing no colony was allowed to do. Free itself. In 1804, Haiti became the first nation in history created by a successful slave rebellion. The world didn't celebrate. The world punished it. France forced Haiti to pay the equivalent of billions of dollars to compensate former slave owners for their lost slaves. This debt strangled the country's wealth before it even had a chance to build schools, hospitals, or roads. By the time Haiti finished paying, the world had already moved on. Haiti never caught up. And every disaster since has landed on a nation already bleeding. Earthquakes. Hurricanes. Floods. Disease outbreaks. Haiti isn't unlucky, it's trapped. The 2010 earthquake killed hundreds of thousands in seconds. City blocks collapsed like paper. Aid poured in, then disappeared. Money was pledged. But much of it never rebuilt homes. It never built schools. It never created lasting systems. Entire neighborhoods became permanent ruins. When storms come now, they don't just flood houses. They destroy what little survival people still have. Haiti was never given time to recover from one disaster before the next arrived. It became a country permanently in emergency mode. Over time, it wasn't just nature destroying Haiti. The government collapsed too. Police stopped being paid. Hospitals shut down. Electricity failed. And when the government disappears, power doesn't disappear. It moves. Into the hands of gangs. Entire neighborhoods became controlled by armed groups. Not criminals. Not rebels. Warlords. People now pay gangs for protection, instead of the state. Children walk to school through checkpoints held by teenagers with rifles. Doctors operate knowing they could be kidnapped before dinner. In parts of the country, the state literally does not exist. No courts. No enforcement. No safety. Just survival. Imagine being born into a nation where school is optional. Power cuts are normal. Gunfire is background noise. Food shortages are routine. Now imagine that being normal. This is Haitian childhood. Many kids have never lived in a working country. They don't remember stability. They've never seen systems that function. They don't imagine futures. They imagine ways to escape. But escape isn't easy when your entire nation is closed in by poverty, fear, and violence. Hope itself feels expensive. When disasters strike rich countries, the world pauses. When disaster is Haiti, the world scrolls. It's not loud enough. Not new enough. Not shocking anymore. And that's the tragedy. Haiti didn't fail. Haiti was abandoned, repeatedly. The debt, the exploitation, the disasters, the corruption, the neglect. Each one alone might have been survivable. Together, they became fatal. Haiti isn't broken. It was never repaired, and today, the collapse you're watching. It didn't begin in violence. It didn't begin in politics. It didn't begin in corruption. It began in punishment for freedom. This is not a poor country. This is a rich country that was never allowed to live. And now, it is quietly disappearing.